Once you start thinking always what's best for the students, all students, from our top end learners that often come with expertise in other countries way above our educational level. Those students sometimes work in a very fast pace, to students who struggled immensely in school, often due to ADHD issues and attention deficits in all sorts. And then students who might have physical handicaps, there's social economic differences. All those students are sitting in a classroom. What can we offer so that they all feel connected to what's happening in their program, connected to their teachers? And I mean that in every which way, that they feel a connection towards their teachers. It's not a magistral type environment where the teachers are spewing out knowledge and they're asked to remember it. No, we're talking really looking at building relationships between all the employees here, including admin with the students, and then working from that relationship, then building content and programs of study that we certainly make sure we have to follow. But how do our students fit? Every one of them.